no.
Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you?
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I've got two e-bike box of awesomeness here, and we're gonna open these up and see what's inside. Here we go. Now, we're probably gonna be hoping here for a Chris Vector. There's only one inside of all of these boxes. So if there's a Chris Vector inside, that is gonna be pretty sick, all right? Both of these boxes cost $450 together. So I'm hoping to get something pretty good out of these. If not, then I guess that's a bust, but we'll find out. All right, here we go. Oh shit. Looking like we got a pistol here. Damn. Okay, so we got a Colt. Not entirely sure what this one's gonna be. Check that out right there. Got a fucking Colt by Cybergun. Bust this bad boy open. All right, so I got the social distancing patch. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Paperwork. All right, okay. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Ooh, I don't know. Getting a lot of plasticky vibes from this one. Actually, I think this feels like it's aluminum. Not bad though, honestly. And it's non-gas blowback because the slide does not go back. So that's kind of a bummer. The fuck?
What is that?
What the hell? Oh my God, is this an AEP? Look at that mag well. Look at that mag. I think I just got an AE. Oh no. Boys, this is not good. This is not good. There's a charger in the box. Hey, okay. There is a silver lining. We got a speed loader here. That's probably the only thing of value in this box. And this bag of BBs. And this extremely tiny fucking de-jamming rod. So overall, first gun, I mean, I don't know how good this is gonna be. I guess we could load the battery in and see how it sounds. The battery's probably dead though, but we'll see. All right. Okay, make sure this thing's unloaded. Yep. Okay, well, let's go on to the next box, shall we? If I can figure out how to open this thing. So this is not an M4 mag. So I thought it was going to be something of use, but so I'm not going to be needing that. All right. That was kind of weird, but here we go. Okay, so we got a pretty decently sized box, but I'm kind of worried. If it was something good, I feel like it would have some sort of insignia or logo on it, but who knows? It's pretty goddamn heavy, that's for sure. Oh shit. Oh. So this is kind of what it looks like. Just a pretty standard box here. So let's crack this bad boy open. Oh shit! Yo! Dude, what is this? Is that an ammo counter? Dude, okay, it's an SW11. This is a pulse rifle. This thing is extremely heavy. Holy damn, okay. This makes up for the AEP. This is pretty sick. I'm liking what I see. Yeah, so the magazine goes in here, and then this goes on the bottom. Like that. Yes. All right, pretty cool. Honestly, this thing's pretty sick. All right, well, this is the first box. It had a pulse rifle and an AEP by Colt. All right, so we got the last box here. Let's cut this thing open. Oh no. I've got bad news. I think we may have just gotten a duplicate. Oh no. Oh. We've got another Colt cyber gun. Oh no. Did I just get two of the same box, dude? Actually? Oh man. Got the second pistol here. Same exact pistol. Literally exactly the same. So, not even gonna unbox that. I'm not even gonna open this. All right, here's the last box. Let's hope it's not the exact same gun I just got. Oh, dude. Man. Another pulse rifle. We've got two. So, all right. I guess a sick ass picture. So, I guess I am now the proud owner of two of the exact same guns. So, these are the pistols that I got right here. Two AEPs by Colt. These are pretty cool, I gotta say. These actually do look pretty sick. I mean, I could definitely duel these, so you can expect to see some dual wielding videos coming in the future with these. All right, guys, well, that's gonna be the video for today. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see if I can get more of these boxes in the future and open them up on camera. So that's it. See ya.